Hello, welcome home. Today I'm going to show you how to create a web page on a WordPress. That is, how to create a web page on an online site for free of cost. First of all, we'll log into WordPress. Already have done this as I have created a login in WordPress.com. So let's go to our view site. So here we have options on the left side for creating a page. So click on add site page, then we can write a title here. So whatever you type, just keep having a preview of it so that you can see how it looks. So this is how a web page looks, what I have created now. Then to make changes, close it on the left side. Then you can add a media, just like a photograph. Press on, click on add, go to media, and choose any image. Click on insert. Now we have inserted an image. On this you can type any information, just like welcome all to IIT Bombay FDP. And now again, once again, to see how it looks, click on preview. This is how page looks, what I have created. And if you want to view the site, just click view site. This is how complete page looks. Get back to my site. Till now we have not published it. If you want to publish, click publish on the right side. Publish immediately and public, these are the two options. Then we'll publish it. Okay, it tells page published on hkblog.com. If you want, you can add another page. And go once again and click on view site. This is how our web page created by me looks. Thank you.